I create shop boards in rectangular and square shapes on a daily basis. But one client asked me to create a signboard not for commercial purposes but for an art installation. We created this classy looking metal frame from a rose gold metallic sheet. And in addition to these circular holders for the artist's painting, our metallic frame has this jaali pattern cut on the edges. The client wanted to achieve two things. One, to display her artwork and her designs in a very classy manner. And two, those designs were to be lit up and set in a frame that was just as eye-catching as the original artwork. And this pattern allows for a very eye-catching back glow once the lights are switched on. We scanned each of her paintings at an extremely high resolution and then set those paintings in our circular pattern. Each of those paintings was printed on a thick acrylic sheet, and that acrylic sheet was embedded inside our frame. We also embedded LED strips around those acrylic prints to give it that fantastic front glow. And remember the pattern on the sides? For this, we installed a fluorescent neon strip. So when the board gets installed on the wall, it also has a beautiful side glow. As I said before, we create signboards for a living, but every now and then we get an opportunity to create something super unique. And in case you are looking for a unique signage solution, do not hesitate to call us here at orchiddigitals.com.